So Jude, I am especially fond of tea tree. I use tea tree oil in a variety of medicines. What is this that I'm looking at here?
This is lemon scented tea tree. Isn't it great?
It's amazing. It smells so good.
The leaves just look so delicate. They're soft, they're beautiful. They make the perfect hedging plant. But in actual fact, the tea tree makes the most wonderful cup of tea.
Oh, so you can consume this?
Absolutely. So you can use it in tea, you can chop it up, use it in salad dressings, anything where you want that beautiful soft lemon flavour. It's a softer lemon flavour than say some of the others, say for example lemon myrtle or one of those. This is a lot more gentle, but I think it works really, really well.
So the tea tree oil that they sell for medicine and for, you know, as like an antiseptic, what is that? That's not this. It's
that's a different one. As far as I know, this one that they have used for some antiseptics, mainly because of its smell, and it's also got that a lot of citronella in it. So again, a really good insect repellent.
Well, I was going to say that when we were over at the mint bush,
yeah,
we were swarmed by mosquitoes, and now
none here.
No, I mean I see the occasional one, but they're not lingering. And the more that I, you know, start to pull these leaves apart, the less mozzies I see.
The idea is to pick a bit. Walk around, be slapping your shoulder or something. Yeah, it just gets rid of them all. There you go. There's your own insect repellent.
Fantastic. Now, what else can you tell me about this? Are there any other recipes? Could I put this in fish, or would it be overwhelming?
I think you could put it in fish, and I think it would really work well. You know, try fish, get some paper bark, and just pick some of the leaves and just lay them on the top of the fish with a little bit of pepper, with a little bit of salt. Don't put a lot of other things in. Let those beautiful sort of lemony flavours come through.
What about traditional uses?
Traditional uses, like with so many of the lemon scented things, Indigenous people would use them for the, you know, put flavouring drinks, flavouring food, definitely as an insect repellent, and just sort of, you know, snapping yourself with them so you get rid of the insects. The other thing, again, just moistening the leaves and putting them over a fire, so you've got all these beautiful lemony vapours coming up, so it's great for coughs, for colds. And some people say they're really good for some of the skin ailments too, you know, with eczema and some of those things. I have heard that some of the skin ailments, these work quite well.
Yeah, so just a facial steam too. You can just put them in hot water and put your head over, towel. Do you have any other tea trees on the premise?
Not at the moment, no.
What about myrtles?
Myrtles we've definitely got. You want to see some myrtles?
Yes.
Let's go for it.
Perfect.